Hi zebra friends, I hope you're having a great day. Today I wanted to do a little bit of an art project with you guys. So this week we're learning about amphibians and reptiles and the different types of eggs. And something that I noticed, and I was watching a documentary on TV, and it mentioned that a lot of times frogs' eggs looked like bubbles. And I thought it would be super fun if we made our own bubble art that would kind of look like the eggs that the frogs lay. So what I have here is vanilla, paprika, and turmeric. Now, I thought it would be fun if we found things from our kitchen to make the colors. So I didn't choose food coloring, though if you'd like to do that, that works as well. I chose to use items from the kitchen. So in this, I have a bubble soap solution. If you don't have bubble soap at home, my recommendation is you go to the Penasquitos Christian Preschool YouTube page, and there you'll find a recipe from Mrs. Cather on how to make your own bubble soap. And it's really useful. You can always go to the Penasquitos Christian Preschool page. That's a featured channel on the Zebra channel, and it should be in the description below anyway, so you'll be able to find it there. So I'm going to add the vanilla. Just a little bit, just enough to get some color. Yeah, that should be good. I'll just add a little more to be safe. Some vanilla. Let's add some paprika. So the vanilla, when it comes out, you can't really see it, but it should have a really nice brown color. The paprika, if you can see it, it's got a bit of a reddish hue, so it'll give me some red paint, some red bubble soap. And I have some turmeric, which you can see has kind of a yellow color, and I think that'll be really good to give us a nice, beautiful yellow bubble paint. There we go. And you can add as much or as little as you want. We don't really need a measurement there, just as much as you would like. So I'm going to mix that in. Okay, the turmeric is done. Let's mix in the paprika. And what I'm going to do, friends, is I'm going to blow bubbles. I'm going to blow bubbles in two different ways. So first, I'm going to use these bubble wands that I have, and then I'm going to use a straw. So once everything is mixed in, you're going to grab your piece of paper. If you have a bubble wand, you'll use your bubble wand, and you'll just use your breath and blow bubbles onto the paper. Whoa! Okay. Our paprika or our red mixture. And lastly, I'm going to use our turmeric and bubble soap. Whoa! So here is my finished creation. But you can see that the turmeric made some really beautiful yellow colored circles. The paprika made some red colored circles. And there are some light brown circles from the vanilla. So, if you don't happen to have a bubble wand at home, it's okay. I have another option for you. So I'm going to set these aside. You can use a straw. I happen to have a reusable straw at home. We don't really have the plastic ones, but a plastic straw, some people have glass straws, but I'm using a stainless steel one. So what you can do is you will blow into your straw, but you're going to blow with the end of your straw in the solution. It's going to create a beautiful pile of bubbles, and then you're just going to place your art on top. So I'll go ahead and do that with each of our colors to see how it turns out. Place it on top. There you go. I'll try it one more time with the paprika, and then one more time with the turmeric. I don't know if you can see, and I'll add a picture at the end of what my finished bubble art looks like. But the paprika made a beautiful red color. Now let's see about the turmeric. And there you go. I have a nice yellow circle from our turmeric.
Here is my finished creation for the straw bubble art.
And those are the two different ways that you can make bubble art. So the necessities, the things that you'll need, are your coloring. So I chose spices and things for my food cabinet. But you can also use food coloring. If you have watercolor dyes, that would work as well. You can get super creative with how you want your bubbles to be colored. My recommendation is bubble soap, either bubble soap from the store, or you could follow Penasquitos Christian Preschool and look at Mrs. Cather's video about how to make your own bubble soap. So you'll need that. You'll need your containers to hold that liquid. You'll need either a straw or a bubble wand and some paper. And that's it. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great rest of your day. Bye!